Welcome to our journey into the world of vibe coding. Today, we'll explore how artificial intelligence can transform simple prompts into functional applications using Replit.com. Let's start by understanding what vibe coding is. Vibe coding is an AI-dependent programming technique where you describe a problem in natural language, and a large language model generates the corresponding software. This approach shifts the programmer's role from manual coding to guiding and refining AI-generated code. Now, let's see vibe coding in action using Replit.com, a platform that integrates AI capabilities to assist in code generation. We'll begin by prompting the AI to create an educational app for learning about planets. After submitting the prompt, the AI processes our request and generates the initial code base. Let's run the application to see how it looks. This is 3D scene. I can use navigation keys to move and rotate, zoom using mouse. Very nice. If I press spacebar to play sounds, the application starts flickering. So, I asked the issue to an AI and waited for them to fix it. After few seconds waiting, the AI replied with a solution, something missing with the 3JS library. And then, I'm still waiting them to update the solution. Perfect, the flickering issue has been fixed. Great, now, let's try something more complex, a simple 2D platformer game. For this approach, it will use Pixie.js for the 2D graphics. The AI is now generating the code for our game. The AI said it completed, but I saw the error on the screen. So I copy the error and let them know. They quickly fixed the error and updated the code. Great, now I can see the game UI of start page. Let's click on start button. However, nothing happened. The game is not starting. It's just update the start game button to reset game. After few seconds confusing with the issue, I decided to let them know the problem. What they did is just doing the home screen. Now they will implement the game logic. Cool, now the home screen changed, but the start game button still there. Let's play with it. I can move the character, use space to jump and collect coins. Excellent, now let's add one more level. The code was updated, but the game is not running. It took me a while to understand what was happening. and again. Let's ask AI to fix the issue. Okay, the problem has been fixed. Now, let's move on to the next level and see how the level 2 looks. The level 2 was displayed, but we got bug on the level number, it crazy increasing. I would ask the AI to fix this issue, but I'm a bit lazy for now. Now, we got the game running on their platform. I'm finding a way to deploy it on somewhere. Let's click on Deploy button on the top left corner. It appears that deploying requires upgrading to paid account. As an alternative, let's try downloading the project and running it locally. Click on Download as zip, extract the files, and attempt to run the project on localhost. I'm using Python to start localhost from client folder. It seems we're facing issues running the game locally. Let's ask the AI to create a version suitable for local servers. The AI suggests upgrading our account to access this feature. While vibe coding with AI tools, like Replit, offers a streamlined approach to software development, certain advanced features may require a paid subscription. Nonetheless, this method significantly lowers the barrier to creating functional applications and games, making coding more accessible to everyone. Thank you for watching the video, and let me know your idea or any other options with vibe coding on the comment. Have a nice day.